Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to directly go live on YouTube. Well guys, there are several ways to go live on YouTube, but I'm going to teach you the very raw and the proper method to go live on YouTube directly using your YouTube studio, right? So let's just directly jump into my YouTube studio and learn how to go live. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in the demo YouTube channel which we have created in this course itself. Now if you want to go live on YouTube, there can be any reason to go live. It can be to engage with your audience, it can be to announce something, or it can be anything. But the process to go live is totally same for all the YouTubers, all the channels, right? Now, as you can see, right now I'm in the dashboard section of my YouTube studio, and here in the upload option where we upload by which we upload the video, just right hand side of that option you'll be able to see go live option. Otherwise you can click on this create button as well, where you'll be able to see the go live option here as well, right? So we do have two options. You can click on whatever you want. Now when we click on this go live option, we'll be able to see this kind of option in your YouTube channel when you first request for a live session, right? Because YouTube doesn't allow every YouTuber to go live on YouTube. So if you have created a new channel, new YouTube channel, you will be able to see an option like this, right? So after this timer ends, basically after 24 hours, you'll be able to go live, right? So I have shown you that what happened when you have new YouTube channel, or if you haven't applied for the live session previously. Now guys, I have opened one more another channel over here where I have already applied for the live session 24 hours ago, so I don't need to wait for 24 hours in order to go live in this channel. Right now, again, if I click on this go live option, I'll be able to see all the options, like you want to go live right now, or you want to set a live session for later date. So it is up to you that which option you want to go with. Let's say I want to go live right now, so I'll click on this start button. Otherwise, uh, let's say I want to schedule a live session for later date, so what I can do is I can click on this start button. Now, as I already told you that we do have various options to go live. So whether you want, you can go with your built-in camera which is available on your PC or your laptop. Otherwise you can go live with your streaming software as well, like OBS Studio, which I have shown you in the previous video. So generally people go live with their built-in camera, so you can use this option. Just click on the go option. Now you need to uh, give the access, provide access to your camera and the microphone. So I'll click on go live, allow. Basically, once you allow it, you need to enter all the details, right? Like the name of the live session, whatever the name, like we do in our YouTube videos, right? So I've added demo here. I again added demo description. After this, you can set that how do you want to go live. So it is by default set on webcam. Now you can set the category, whatever the category you are in, you can select it, right? Then you can select the thumbnail as well, like we do in any normal YouTube video, right? So let me go to my download section, and from here I'm selecting any random thumbnail, right? Also, if you have any playlist and you want to add this live session into that playlist, you can do that as well. After this, you can select that whether this video is made for kids or not. So I'll go with the no option. Then age restriction, same option as normal YouTube video. Then if we click on show more, we'll see the tags option and the language option and all, right? Now here you have some extra options about commenting, like you want to allow all the comments, or you want to hold the potentially inappropriate comments, like that, right? So this is what you can do with your live session. Now hit the next button. After details, you need to do your customization. Now in the customization, we do have mainly live chat, right? So in live chat, you want live chat, or if you don't want to use live chat, so you can directly uncheck this box as well, but it is totally up to you. Like if you want live chat replay, you can check this box as well. So this two options you have, right? Now in the participate modes, you can select anyone, subscribers or live commentary approved users. So three types of users we have. So if you go with anyone will be able to comment on your uh, live, otherwise subscribers and the live commentary whom you have approved. Then you want to add reactions in your live session, you can select this option as well. And then the message delay, by default it is 60 seconds and you can leave it on it. Otherwise, if you want, let's say you are getting too much inappropriate or too much comments or too much engagement reactions, so you can go with the slow mode as well, right? But otherwise it is okay to go with the normal mode. After this, you can go to the visibility option. So let me click on this next option. And in the visibility, basically you can select that whether you want to make this video directly private, unlisted or public. Even if you want, you can schedule it as well. And as you know that we are uh, creating a live session for later date, so this video will be by default scheduled for the next date, right? But still, what do you want to do once the video gets published? Would you want to make it private or unlisted or public? So right now I'll go with private. And once you hit the done button, your live session is ready now. So this was for the later date, and you can do the same thing with your if you, let's say you want to go live right now. As you can see here, if you want to go live right now, you can just click on go live and you will directly go live from here. If I click here, it is connecting to my OBS because I've selected OBS one, but I don't want to go live right now. So end stream, let me click on end, and it's ended. Now once the live stream ends, you'll be able to see all the data, that how many views you got, peak concurrents, then total watch time, average view duration, total chat rate and duration. So this is how it's done. Let me go to dismiss. Otherwise, if you want, you let's say you want to add some cuts in this live session, so you can directly edit this video into the studio. Otherwise, you can click on dismiss and the video has been dismissed. Now let me go back to studio, and this is how a live session is done, right? So we created a live session for the later date, but we launched that live session right now. So this can be also done. It is totally up to you, right? So this is how you can create a live session. And let's say you want to go live right now, so you can go directly with this option as well. There's no extra, or there's no any base major difference between these two options, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you still have any if you still have any question, query or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself.